In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a department. First, navigate to the Workers tab, and click Department. On the right-hand corner, you should see a button that says, Create New Record. Click this and now add department name and shortcode. Once done, press the Save Record button and you will see a confirmation message. If you need to quickly go back and edit something, you can navigate to Actions menu available in each record. You can also delete a record by simply navigating to Actions menu. A prompt will appear displaying "Are you sure to delete?" Please note that all deleted records are available in Trash for a permanent delete or restore. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.